When it comes to construction and roofing, quality, trust, and dependability are non-negotiables. Your home or business deserves the highest level of craftsmanship, and my quality construction and roofing contractors is here to deliver just that. With a strong reputation for excellence and a team dedicated to customer satisfaction, here are the top reasons why homeowners and business owners alike trust us for their projects. Proven experience and expertise. With years of experience under our tool belt, we've completed a wide range of residential and commercial projects, from full roof replacements and repairs to new construction and exterior renovations. Our team is composed of seasoned professionals who stay up to date with the latest techniques, technologies, and safety standards in the construction and roofing industries. Whether you're building from the ground up or improving an existing structure, we bring the expertise that ensures every detail is done right the first time. Licensed, insured, and reliable. Choosing a licensed and insured contractor isn't just a smart move, it's essential for your peace of mind. We're fully licensed and carry comprehensive insurance, so you're protected from unexpected liabilities or damages throughout the duration of your project. Our team takes every precaution to work safely and efficiently, giving you confidence in both the process and the outcome. Customer-first approach at my quality construction and roofing contractors. Our customers come first. We believe in clear communication, honest pricing, and personalized service. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, we involve you in every step of the process. Our team listens carefully to your needs, respects your timeline, and always seeks to exceed expectations. We treat your home or business as if it were our own, clean, organized, and with the utmost care. High-quality materials for lasting results. We never cut corners, especially when it comes to materials. Whether it's shingles, metal panels, or framing lumber, we source only from trusted suppliers known for durable and weather-resistant products. Our partnerships with top-tier manufacturers mean we can offer premium materials at competitive prices and provide industry-leading warranties for extra assurance. Transparent quotes and fair pricing. We understand that budget is a major factor in any construction or roofing project. That's why we provide clear, itemized quotes with no hidden fees or surprise charges. We believe in fairness, honesty, and helping you make informed decisions. Our goal is to deliver the best value, superior quality without inflated costs. Timely project completion. Delays can be frustrating and costly. Our project managers are experts in scheduling and coordination, ensuring your job is completed on time, without sacrificing quality. We commit to realistic timelines and keep you updated every step of the way so there are no surprises or setbacks. When we say we'll meet a deadline, we mean it. Wide range of services. From roofing and siding to full-scale home renovations and commercial build-outs, we do it all. Our team has the versatility and skill to handle projects of all sizes and scopes. Whether you need an emergency roof repair after a storm or a total exterior makeover, we're your one-stop shop for construction and roofing excellence. Local reputation you can trust. As a proud local contractor, we've built strong relationships in the community through our commitment to excellence and customer care. Our clients return to us again and again, and refer friends and family, because they know we stand behind our work. Our reputation is built on trust, and we take that responsibility seriously. Choose quality. Choose confidence. When you choose My Quality Construction and Roofing Contractors, you're not just hiring a team. You're partnering with professionals who genuinely care about the success of your project. Let us bring your vision to life with integrity, precision, and pride in every nail driven. Contact us today for a free estimate and discover the difference quality makes.